Typically, I use 3 basic fertilizers in my vegetable garden. The first one is 6-12-12. You notice it's nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. On root crops like carrots, beets, radishes, you don't want a lot of nitrogen, otherwise you're going to get a lot of foliage but no fruit. So by having a 6-12-12, more of it goes into the actual growing of the bulbs, carrots, beets. 34-00, which is all nitrogen, no phosphorus or potassium, I like to use this on green crops. So I use 34-00 on crops like lettuce, broccoli, spinach, or your various greens that you grow. For all else, like squash, cucumbers, watermelon, corn, tomatoes, I like a balanced fertilizer. In this case, I use 15-15-15, but you can just use 10-10-10, except when you're using 10-10-10, you use a little bit more. If you're using 15-15-15, you use a little bit less.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.